Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 7 of December. Sorry I didn't record day 5 or day 6. I just been so busy, but today I will be making a red pozole and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification to get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so right here I have New Mexico chilies. For that you will need a whole bag. I just took out, and then you're gonna have to clean them out, take the seeds out, and then rinse them. And then right here I have chile árbol. This one is spicy, so you might want to consider putting either, just begin with just a little bit and then you can add on if you like. And then here's the tomato bouillon, but you will need a full cup. You can put it in your meat while it's boiling. And then this is just garnish. This is what it depends whatever you want to add to. And then I have a can of hominy right here. If you guys want to add more meat, it just depends how much you want to make. This is fine for the sauce, but if you want to add another can and then more meat, you'll be fine with this. Okay, so here I got a head start on my pork neck. It's called espinazo. I usually like putting this because it gives it more flavor to the pozole, but you guys can just add the pork stew meat and then you'll be fine with that, but I like adding this one. And then here I have about 5 pounds, and then to that I will add my tomato bouillon and then just let it boil. You will need to put this one before you add the other one. And then also you will need to clean this. All you do is just take the top off. And that's it. Okay, so this is how you want to cut your meat. I cut it in 3 pieces and then I split it through the middle. I mean, it's optional however you want to cut your meat. I usually just like doing it into bite size, not too big, not too little, because we already have a lot of meat in there. Yeah, and then just continue the process. Okay, so here I have all the chilies. They are boiling. I already took some of the seeds out. It's okay if there's still some. They will be blended. So just let it boil, and then you're gonna blend it with the garlic cloves that I showed you guys. You will not need to put any more seasoning in it because I already put it in the meat to boil. But if you guys feel like you need more, then you can always add more. Okay, so I put out my chilies already, so I put them in here, and then I did add about 2 cups of the same water that my meat is boiling in, because the meat is almost done. It's already done, it's just still boiling. And then I put the 3 garlic cloves, and then you don't need to put any seasoning. Like I said, for the amount that I did, I put a full cup of tomato bouillon. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my chile in. And then with the same water that I just put in there, I'm gonna get some more and then just rinse it. Okay, so now you're just gonna let it boil for another 30 minutes, but then in between you're gonna add the hominy in, so that way when this is ready, everything will be. Okay guys, so that's it. This pozole is ready, and I did garnish with some radish, onions, and some cabbage. And also I put some lemon on already. So let's go ahead and taste this. Okay, so here we go. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys try it like always. And also I want to give a big shout out to my daughter. Today she turned 14 years old, and I decided to make this pozole because it is her favorite food. So yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and wish her happy birthday, I do have my Instagram down below where you'll see a bunch of her pictures, and also I will post a slideshow after this.